someone and thought, how did they get so rich so fast? Maybe they started a small business and suddenly it blew up. Maybe they bought land for cheap and now it's worth millions. You wonder, why didn't I see that chance? Here's the truth. Million-dollar opportunities are all around you every day. But most people miss them. Why? Because they don't know what to look for. In this video, I'll show you, in simple words, how to spot a million-dollar opportunity before everyone else. Even if you have no money, no special degree, or no business experience. Let's open your eyes to see what others can't. Why most people miss opportunities. Let's be honest. Most people miss great chances, not because they're lazy or dumb, but because they're too busy surviving. They wake up, rush to work, come home tired, repeat. No time to think. No time to look around. Life becomes a routine. But here's the secret. Millionaires think differently. They see what's coming, not just what's happening now. Let's learn how they do it, step by step. The mindset of opportunity. To see an opportunity, you need a new way of thinking. Let me explain. Poor man's thinking. I need money today. I can't take risk. That's not my business. Rich man's thinking. Where is money flowing? What do people need tomorrow? Can I solve a problem? Change your question from how can I survive to how can I serve and grow? Let me tell you a true story. Real-life example, spotting early opportunities. A man named Bola in Lagos noticed more people ordering food online. He didn't have a big kitchen or chef skills. But he saw a chance. He partnered with cooks. He did the delivery with his small bike. He used WhatsApp groups to collect orders. Within 6 months, boom! He was earning more than bankers. What did he do? He saw a small problem, people were hungry, busy. He gave a small solution, fast delivery. He started before everyone else jumped in. That's how you spot million-dollar chances. 5 signs of a million-dollar opportunity. Here are 5 signs to look for. 1. Growing demand. Are more people needing this product or service? Example, solar power in areas with no steady electricity. 2. People complaining. Listen when people complain. Complaints equals opportunity. Solve it, you win. 3. No big competition. Yet. Is the market still fresh? Not crowded? Early entry equals big profits. 4. Low cost to start. Can you start small? With little money? Start small, grow fast. 5. Easy to multiply. Can this grow beyond one place? Example, 1 shop today, 10 shops tomorrow. These signs are everywhere. You just need open eyes. Where to look for opportunities? Let's get practical. Where can you find opportunities? 1. Your community. What do people need every day? Water, food, transport? What's missing? Fill that gap. 2. Online space. People need help online. Selling things, teaching. Content creation. Digital tools can you resell, connect buyers and sellers, or offer services? 3. Trends. What's new in town? Health products? New fashion? Eco-friendly items? 4. Skills you already have. Can you sew, cook, clean, fix things? Turn it into a business. Opportunities are not far, they are right around you. How to act fast and smart. Seeing an opportunity is not enough. You must act fast and act smart. Steps to act. Test small, don't wait for big money. Test your idea with little. Example, sell to 10 people before 100. Get feedback, listen. Improve. Grow. Feedback helps you avoid mistakes. Partner with others, don't do it alone. Find helpers. Share profits. Fast growth comes with team effort. Stay consistent. Every day, show up. Small steps daily equals big success. Remember, speed is key. The first to act wins big. Real stories of big wins. Let me inspire you. Story 1, Fatima the soap maker. Fatima saw people loved natural soap. She started with $20. Now, supermarkets sell her brand. Story 2. Solar the bike app creator saw transport problems. He created a simple bike hailing app in his city. Now, he's a millionaire. Story 3. Chidi the land investor. Chidi bought land in a rural area. 3 years later, government built roads there. Land price tripled. He made $100,000 plus. These people didn't wait. They spotted the chance early and acted. Mistakes to avoid. Avoid these common traps. Overthinking. You wait too long. Someone else takes the chance. Fear of failing. Small failures teach you. Don't fear, learn, grow. Chasing every idea. Focus on any idea. Grow it strong. No research. Always ask, is this real? What's the need? Don't follow fake hype. Stay sharp, stay smart. Your action plan. Let's make this real. Your 5-step plan. Look around you. What are people buying, needing, complaining about? Spot the gap. What is missing in your area or online? Start small. Test your idea with little money. Promote it. Tell 10 people. Post online.